gone to Mexico.
Let's look at her. What you doing?
The grip.
You're putting lip. You're putting on lips? Oh my gosh, careful you break it.
I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up.
Hi friends, good morning, good afternoon and good night. Tell her turn on the TV a little bit for me, please. What are you guys doing? It's a brand new day and I'm heading out. Yeah, I'm heading out. Where am I going? Look after my teeth. I'm due to do a checkup with my dentist. So I'm gonna do that today. Today's Wednesday, so no school for the kids, so I have to tag them along with me. But in this case, my husband have to come to the doctor with me. Because while I'm getting looked after, somebody gotta look after my kids, okay? So baby's heading to work, but he's just stopping at the dentist with me while I get my stuff done. And then he can go to work and I can go about my business. So that's what I'm up to right now. So hopefully you guys are having a good day. Stay loved, stay blessed, stay motivated. Subscribe to the fan bam if it's your first time. Tell her that's the girl that Sarah have.
Yes.
Ah, Sarah, who is that on the TV?
Wait.
Who is that, Sarah? Who is that? Sakura. Anyway, guys, everybody is here just lounging around because we're taking the bus. It's like just 10 minutes drive and we reach. So we're lounging around until it's time for us to go. We have like 20 minutes, so we're way in advance of time. Sarah woke up this morning and she's saying her foot hurting. She's limping a bit. I see nothing on her foot, so I'll watch that and see what become of it. But let me make you say hello to everybody. Oh, the first one. There he is.
Good morning, good afternoon, good night. Yeah, I gotta take care of my family today and then head to work. Multi-life, that's how you call it? More than one life?
Maybe. That's not more than one life, that's just your life. Who's first? Who's first?
Sarah.
Sarah, say hello. How are you? You there from the Gaza? Alright. How your foot feeling? How is your foot? It still hurt?
Yes. Move it like this.
You're too funny. And what you were up to?
Watching TV.
What you watching on TV? Naruto, of course. Alright, my kids are dressed. My husband is dressed. And we're ready to go. Dentist went well, I must say. Dentist went well, and Sarah got her little checks to at the dentist. That went okay. And I'm back. I gave them lunch. I'm about to look after some lunch for myself. Why is my fridge open looking at me? I'm about to give myself some lunch too and carry on with my day. I'm already tired and the day has just begun. Can you guys imagine? That always happens when I go on the road. There they are eating away. Tell her what you're eating. Pasta. Pasta and what? Sausage. See me? Well, I guess because you're not turning around. I didn't take a spoon because that fork look like it's not helping your mouth right now. It look too small. No? Seemed like Sarah had some kind of cramp in her sleep or something last night. A quick basic lunch for Mama, having a salad, chicken, tomato, almonds, avocado, lettuce. Lunch is ready. Well, she's not dressed in princess today. She's dressed in bee. Take up your Nintendo from their song, go put it in my room and the dress and come back.
Not so do.
You finally see the fave.
Mama, do you see camera sees here?
No. Why?
Because Sarah and Mira did a hug.
No. That's okay.
Hum yum yum! Hum! Hum yum 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 yum! Ready? Je vais t'attraper! Jamais! Bouddhi! Mama?
Yes.
This time Sarah and me did a hug. I think your camera
It's blurry. Yeah.
I think you captured it.
Okay. That's fine. Be careful, somebody head hit on here. Back off.
Je creuse, baby. Je vais te creuser. Ya. Sarah Peppa, Tai Papy Pig. Je suis un gros mammouth. Tu ne vas pas m'attraper. Je suis un gros mammouth.
Wow, look at that sunset. I gotta go catch it, Sarah. Mama gotta go catch it. We got, wow, look at that beauty. That's so pretty. It's pretty, Sarah?
Yes.
Yes. That's very beautiful. I could look at that all day, Shadi. You guys see the sunset? As I'm getting up to go and cook, I spot it. Perfect timing outside. Look at that. Look at that. Pretty. Let's look at her. What you doing?
And the grip.
You putting lip. You putting on lips? Oh my gosh, careful you break it. The way she's rubbing this lip balm on her lip. Oh my gosh, you're too funny. You put it on lips, you finish, you cover it back. Good job.
I watch TV.
Ah.
Please.
You see a little bit? You want to watch TV?
Yes.
What do you want to watch?
I want
You
Peppa.
want to watch Peppa?
Yes.
Well, her foot wasn't feeling well this morning and she's jumping right now. I don't know what to think about this pain that she's feeling in her feet. This niggle, I should say. Stop jumping in the couch. You know Mama said no jumping in the couch. Exactly. Where's the remote? If you can find the remote, you'll get to watch TV. You guys, I'm in the kitchen making dinner. You looking for the remote? Go look for the remote. I'm making dinner. I'm making sumul. Sumul is what they used to make couscous. So it comes from the pack. So I'm just adding hot water to it and some salt. And when that finish, add hot water, salt, cover it for a bit. It's lace for Tyler shoes. And when it finish, I'll add some butter to it and give it a really nice flavor. And then I'm also making some fish and I have some broccoli blanching over here. Can I help you?
Yes.
What do you want?
I put the help.
You want to help Mama up here? But you have to go around there and you'll help Mama. She like to, you guys know that my kids like to help in the kitchen. Stay there, you don't have to come up, stay right there. I'll put it right here for you. She wants to put the breadcrumbs on the fish. Help Mama put the breadcrumbs on the fish?
Yeah.
Okay. There you go. Just press it like that. Wait, you have to wait until Mama put it on first. Wait. Okay, now. Okay. Mama cooking fish? Yeah. Wait, move your hand. There you go. So you only give it one touch? Oh, we have to turn it around on the other side. Okay, stop. Wait, stay there. Put your hand here. Because I don't want it to drop in the couch. No, don't do that. Wait, Mama will wash your hand after.
No!
Don't say that. What did you say? Don't say that again. You hear what she just said, you guys? She listened to me too much. Wait. Do it now. Okay, out of the kitchen. So I just bring the water up to cover the small in the bowl. And you don't want to put too much water on it. And I just mix it to evenly distribute the flavor and the salt. No, don't touch it. And then I cover it. And put that down and it will do the work. Now we're gonna fry the fish.
Yes! Yay!
Stop jumping. You're a bunny rabbit?
Yes!
You're a bunny rabbit?
Yeah.
Are you a bunny rabbit? You are funny. No, you're not a bunny rabbit. You're Sarah.
Sarah.
Yes. Stop
Sarah.
jumping in the
Sarah.
couch. You're Sarah rabbit?
Yeah. I'm really happy the rabbit on the couch. Her rabbit is jumping.
Mama said no jumping. You guys wondering where my son is? Yeah, he likes his alone time sometimes. Let's go find him. Let's see what he's doing. You heard me coming? What you... Sarah, shh. What you doing?
I'm doing this. Can I carry it to school?
What is that?
It's a paper with things right on it.
What is written on it?
It's things because with my friends we always play Pokemon, so it's like a phone and in it there's a map.
Okay.
And on top there will be the shop, our Pokemons. And
Okay, but you don't use this until it's playtime, huh?
Yes, only at playtime I use
Okay, why you don't turn your light on?
soccer.
Very good. Sarah, you coming or you staying with Tai Tai? You come? Fix back the cards. Go and take them up and put them back where you saw them. You see your tie room clean?
And how Sarah will miss it.
A mess because it's you and her do it. That's why you know it's a mess. And Sarah's room is a mess. Both of them did that.
And look at the fish.
Yes, we're gonna cook the fish. You ready to cook the fish?
Yes.
But you can't cook the fish with mama. It's gonna burn you. It's too hot. You have to back up from the fish.
Back up the fish.
It's hot, hot, hot. It will burn you. The oil will burn you. And you'll get hurt. Okay? Stop!
Jumping. Stop jumping.
And voila, dinner is ready for the Vam Bam. So you got Tyler, Papa, Mama, Sarah, dinner. You guys see the amount of sumo I got from the little bit that I throw in the pan, in the bowl. Yeah, that's the beauty of sumo. Becomes swollen. All right, dinner time.